Stop guessing on why SignalRGB is eating more than 30 gigabytes of your RAM. This is exactly how you fix a memory leak without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or tell you to just reinstall the app, but they're wrong because they don't understand the underlying rendering engine and plug-in caching logic that causes a leak. Before we touch the settings, you need to understand that SignalRGB tries to load every single vendor plugin in its database by default. And if you have specific hardware conflicts, the memory just balloons until your PC crashes. Here at Rexish, we're the authority on high-performance PC optimization and fixing broken lighting software. We are going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So your RAM usage drops from 30 gigabytes to under 400 megabytes immediately. First, you must go into your App Data Local folder, navigate to the SignalRGB plugins directory, and delete every vendor folder for hardware you do not personally own. Next, open SignalRGB. Go to the Effect Canvas settings and switch the render from Ultralight to Qt Web Engine, which is much more stable on modern GPUs. Now, here's the secret pro tip that other creators missed. The massive 30 gigabytes leak is almost always caused by hardware accelerated effects being toggled on while your Windows efficiency mode is active for the process. You must go to Task Manager, find SignalRGB, right-click it, and ensure efficiency mode is turned off. Then disable active capture in the SignalRGB audio settings. Rexish knows that these background listeners are what trigger the runaway memory cycle. Once you've cleared the unused plugins and swapped the renderer, restart the app and your memory leak will be gone for good. Comment down below if you want the PowerShell script to auto-clean your plugin folders every time the app updates. The fix is deleting unused plugins and switching the renderer to Qt Web Engine.